Nature's music. You hear all them birds? I don't know how anybody can't feel good after they start their day going for a walk at 5 a.m. I mean, come on. If you don't live in Arizona, you're missing the fuck out. It's the desert. It's hot. I'd rather be hot than stuck inside during a blizzard, frozen in a bunker because of tornadoes, boarding up my windows because of hurricanes. But it's too hot. It's a dry heat, bitch. You don't even feel it. Look at me. The less you wear, the cooler you feel. Let's listen to these birds. Don't look. I mean, come on, guys. Look, the sun's not even up yet. Tell me that ain't pretty. You gonna get this in Chicago? You getting this out in New York City? Hey, you got people riding their bike. You got road runners and rabbits and quail on the street. I hope you have a beautiful day, y'all.